Come in.
Yo, what's up, D?
David, how you doing, my man?
I'm doing good, brother. How you been, my man?
Good, man. You ready for that pocket knife?
Yeah, man.
So what's the big demand for the pocket knife?
I'll tell you what's the big demand on this pocket knife, brother. It's simple. It's
All
three
right.
things. What's up? The main reason why I want a pocket knife is one reason is it's a survival issue. You want to have something for survival. And what better, if I was on Naked and Afraid, what would you want? Want a guaranteed a knife, right? So, pocket knife made by this guy. It's not cheesy, it's not going to break, it's not going to have an issue opening or closing, it's going to be for life. Three things you need when you're riding, because I don't ride race bikes no more, I ride a chopper now, just so you guys know for the future. I am done riding race bikes. I'm done breaking bones and ribs and puncturing lungs and broken tibia and fibia. Plus the blue light specials chasing me, waiting for me at my house. I'm done. So I ride my chopper, it vibrates, the girl's satisfied in the back, everybody's happy. Three things you need. Wallet, chain wallet. One, you never know when you have to snatch someone up with the chain. Number two, shades. Pretty cut and dry. I use the Oakleys. The Oakleys have always been my favorite. You must have seen them in the videos. I'm always sporting the Oakleys. Good to reflect the wind, good to reflect the sun. Number three, got the wallet chain, we got the shades, pretty cut and dry, you need a knife. What better person to make it than my boy D? It's Damascus in titanium, and I hooked him up with a nice piece of purple hot. See the purple hopefully? I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it is a sweet color. And supposedly the new purple is I want to call it mixed breed, unisex. So we'll go on purple hot, brother. Purple hot usually represents bravery and honor of a hero. And my bike's got the stamp of elite ribbon, which is the round table of the knights where it first originated. And when I'm on my bike, I feel like a knight still. Nice seeing you again. Thank you, D. I appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Peace out. So here we go. We have a fresh cut. Doesn't show much as the purple, but when you heat treat it, and it brings out the purple, as you can see.
The people going now, locomotion steady, pumping fat sound. Pick up the pace, the whole place is gonna get down. Move that ass, we came to blast your hometown. Rockin' for real, do you feel your body moving now? Jocking the skill. And if you ain't
Let's take a closer look outside.